Flying a plane is no different than riding a bicycle.
Ladies and gentlemen.
That's Cambodia, Captain.
That's classified.
Cambodia? Man, you kidding me.
I chase the dreams where treasures hide. The air is sharp, the nights are cold, yet I press on for glimmers of gold. I am MrH2S, they call me bold, explorer of wonders, both young and old. I carve my path through dust and stone with every mile I'm borne alone. But I smile, oh I smile, brighter than the sun, sharing my way till the journey's done. Come and subscribe, join me for a while. Together we'll laugh, together we'll smile.
Sometimes my genius, it generates gravity.
So, I've been working on this dragon. Hello, sir. How are you? Oh, nice smile.
You look great today.
These are not ordinary chicken. Some of them are fighting chicken. So, yes, I had some fun with colors on this dragon fountain with a massive, I was gonna say water wheel. That's not what it is. It's a cart. Gave it some gold. Hello. Very friendly neighbors here and a very happy chicken. So this is the result. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun and looks just like the picture, doesn't it?
Look at that. He's making me cry.
We've got to figure out what's going on.
Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Smile. Don't forget to smile.
Thank you!
Oh, there he is. He's smiling.